Hello, Sir Jay. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, eto sir, testingin lang natin yung unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 17 Gen 5 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay. So, ito sir yung magazine. Alright, yan. Nilagyan na natin ng gas, taka-BB. Okay. So, ito sir. Always remember to keep your trigger finger outside of the trigger until the time that you're going to pull the trigger, okay? And always remember to make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction, okay? So, FPS, blowback, and accuracy test tayo. Right, so ito, for the FPS, gamitin natin ang chronograph. Right, inserting the magazine. Okay, so firing. Okay, solid. Ang first shot natin, 358.1. Okay, 352.1. 343.9. 349.5. Isa pa ba? And sige, isa pa. 334. Alright, so okay na tayo sa blowback and FPS test. Alright, so kasama yung dalawang backstrap, no? Ayan. Saka yung pin, nandito rin yung pin. Okay. Okay, so ngayon let's proceed to the accuracy test. So yung target box natin, distance of 2.3 meters away. Naubos na yung mga 2 inches na target. So, ang ginagamit natin is yung mga spaces in between, which is the size of a 20 peso coin. Okay, so basically, it's a 20 peso coin target at 2.3 meters away. Okay, so ang ibibigay ko sa iyo is the rightmost one. Tapos, second from the bottom. Okay, so yun yung para sa'yo. Okay, kanina actually may nauna. Ginawa ko is bottom, second from the right. Second from the rightmost part. Okay, so sa'yo, rightmost, second from the bottom. Okay, so nasa taas. Alright? So send ko na sa yung picture afterwards. So, eto, check natin yung accuracy. Alright, so 5 shots, lahat nandoon sa loob ng bilog. 20 peso na bilog. Okay, so kung 20 peso yung sa pool. Alright, so ayan, open na yung slide. So, removing the magazine, wala ng bala. Okay, so pull back the slide. Release, hammer down. Okay, so Sir Jay, okay na tong unit mo. So, I will be packing it and then daling ko na siya sa courier tomorrow para ma-deliver sa inyo sa Bohol. Okay? So, sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po, sir. Bye-bye.